Did you know you can earn money just by paying bills or shopping online? Sounds amazing, right? Welcome back to your ultimate guide to personal finance and smart money tips. I'm your name, and today we're diving into an exciting topic: how to earn cashback using UPI apps and wallets. So what is cashback? It's essentially free money that you earn as a reward for making payments or transactions through apps like Google Pay, PhonePe, and Paytm. And trust me, it's a fantastic way to save money while spending smartly. Let's start by choosing the right UPI apps. Apps like Google Pay, PhonePe, and Paytm not only make transferring money easy, but also offer features like bill payments, merchant payments, and even investment options. But remember, security first. Always set up a strong UPI PIN, avoid sharing OTPs, and use apps from trusted sources. Now, let's talk about maximizing cashback. Most UPI apps offer a variety of deals, from flat cashback on specific transactions to seasonal offers. Don't forget referral codes. Inviting friends can often earn you and them bonus cashback. It's a win-win. Timing is key. Many apps give extra rewards during festivals or month-end sales. Plan your transactions wisely to make the most of these offers. And yes, some apps even let you earn cashback by participating in contests, quizzes, or mini-games. Fun and rewarding. Here are a few pro tips. 1. Use apps or extensions like Mention a Popular Tracker to track cashback offers. 2. Set reminders for deadlines so you never miss an opportunity. 3. Stay updated. Subscribe to app notifications and of course our channel for the latest hacks. Smart planning can help you earn hundreds or even thousands of rupees in cashback every month. To recap, choose the right app, make use of referral codes, and always stay updated on the latest offers. It's easy and it pays, literally. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart money tips. Thanks for watching and happy earning with cashback. See you in the next video.